Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how you can easily remove things now with the new remove tool that they've introduced into Adobe Photoshop. Whereas before you'd have to use content aware fill or the patch tool, a real sort of strenuous process for you to remove unwanted or distracting objects or elements from your image. And sometimes the result wasn't always the best. What they've done now is they've introduced, like I say, a new tool called the remove tool. They made it very simple for us to be able to remove elements and objects that we don't want in our imagery anymore. So what I want to try and do is I want to try and remove this group of objects here, these candles. I'm just going to zoom into that area using your zoom tool. If you come through and use this tool here, this is the new remove tool. Now, all you got to simply do is make a very careful, I say careful, but just obviously make sure that you go around the edge of the elements that you'd like to remove, including the shadows there as well. What Photoshop should do is remove these objects for you, like so. So we come through right here. Let's get rid of the shadows here, like so. And very, very simple for it to work it out. What we may do now is come through and just get rid of those shadows there. Maybe just smarten up just a tad. Pretty happy with it, to be fair. Let's say we use the patch tool. Take that area there. Just move it over to there. Make sure we line that up perfect. That's a bit better. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can remove objects or distracting elements or distracting objects from your image as easy as possible, just simply using the remove tool. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.